Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to adjust the deck belt tension on a riding mower. Now you might find a lot of Poland and Husqvarna tractors with the same setup, and also some John Deere lawn tractors will have the same setup to tighten up the deck belt. Now not every lawn tractor will have this setup, so this video will apply only if your lawn tractor is equipped with this setting over here. Now all the tractors that have that setting to adjust the deck belt will have an arm over here that you pull up to engage the deck. When it's pulled up like that, the deck is engaged, and that's when you can check the tension of your deck belt. This one has a new belt, but I feel that it does need to be tightened up a bit more. And when you see the bracket set like this, more toward that way, that means that the belt is at its loosest. So what you need to do is loosen the nut over here. On some tractors it's going to be a 1/2 inch like this, or 10 millimeters. On most John Deere tractors it will be a 10 millimeter bolt. When I do this adjustment, I make sure that the deck belt is disengaged. So make sure it's in the down position like that. Now to adjust the cable on this tractor, I'm going to use a 1/2 inch ratcheting wrench. And remember guys, all you have to do is loosen the bolt enough to move the bracket with the cable. Do not remove the bolt completely. Now I've loosened the bolt enough on this tractor so that the bracket can go over the metal hump here. And again, to make the belt tighter, I have to pull the bracket toward me. And now on this tractor, I'm going to have to pull the bracket back enough to get over that little metal hump there. And once you have it there, just tighten up the bolt again. And again here I'm going to engage the deck belt, and now it's a lot tighter, so the deck's going to work a lot better. It's not going to stop cutting when you hit thick grass. Now what you have to be extra cautious about is that you don't tighten up the tension too much, so that even when the deck is disengaged, the blades will still turn. If that belt is too tight, they are going to spin when that thing's disengaged, and it can be a safety hazard. So what you should do right after you tension the cable is start up your tractor and make sure that the blades are not turning when that lever is disengaged. So I'll just start up the machine here. It is disengaged. And nothing is spinning. And this is exactly what you want. The blades do not spin when this is disengaged. You can hear them clearly coming on and strongly when the lever is engaged. So again guys, to see if your tractor is equipped with this, follow the cable from the engagement lever. You should see a bracket like this that is adjustable. The more you pull the bracket toward you, the tighter you will make the belt. And the more forward the bracket is adjusted, the looser the belt will be. So what that means is the looser your belt is, the less it will be able to spin your deck under heavy grass conditions. And on the other hand, the tighter your belt is, the better your deck will work. And you'll know that the belt is adjusted properly because when you go through thick grass, the deck will not slow down at all. So that's all there is to adjusting the belt guys. Sometimes this is all you have to do to make your deck work again. And the reason you may have to adjust this over time is that the belt may be stretching itself. Even though it's not necessarily done, it has stretched a bit. That's why the adjustment is out of whack. And I would recommend adding this procedure to your spring maintenance. When you take it out, just check the belt tension and check that adjustment as well. So thanks again for watching guys. Also make sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and have yourselves a great day.